University of Warwick Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a student or staff member at the University of Warwick, the official Warwick app promises to make campus life easier, but is it truly effective? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming university apps are clunky or limited. Warwick's app provides quick access to course schedules, lecture timetables, campus maps, and library resources. You can check your lecture times, exam schedules, and even see Zoom locations, all from your phone. Another advantage is communication. The app sends important notifications about university events, deadlines, and announcements directly to your device. Students can also access emails, Moodle updates, and the campus portal without needing to log in through a browser. For staff, the app streamlines access to services, meeting schedules, and internal communications. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional bugs, slow loading times, and limited offline functionality. Advanced features, such as submitting assignments or detailed academic records, often require using the desktop portal. Additionally, while notifications are helpful, they can sometimes be overwhelming if not properly managed. In conclusion, the University of Warwick Review app is a convenient tool for daily campus life. The surprising truth is that while it makes schedules and notifications accessible, it doesn't completely replace the full portal for academic or administrative tasks. For students and staff who want quick access to essential resources and updates, the app delivers efficiency, convenience, and timely alerts. Just remember that for more complex tasks, the full desktop system is still your best option.